Okay, we are doing problem number 5 and 6 in the ACE, the practice problems at the end of investigation 2. And in each problem, they're saying we need to make a rate table. So a rate table says how many per something. So it starts with the unit rate. So we're gonna start and we're gonna number these. So it says go from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they said they want it per gallon. So per gallon. So there we go. We have 10. In the problem, it says that it takes 20 gallons to go 580 miles. So I want to find out, there's several ways I could do this. Because 10 is half of 20, I could say what's half of 580. I'm going to find the unit rate, though. I know that 20 gallons is 580. So I'm gonna take 580 and I'm going to divide it by 20, and you could do it in your calculator. I want to do a little division here because I want us to practice division. I'm seeing a lot of, struggling with that. So 20 does not go into 5, but it goes into 58. Okay, and so that would be 2. That's 40. And that's 18. Bring down the 0. 20 goes into 180 9 times. 180, very nice, it's even. So I know for each of them, it is going to be 20. Each 1 gallon, okay, is going to be 29 miles. So we're going to put miles over here, miles. Okay, so 29 gallons per 29 miles per gallon. So for every gallon, I can go 29. And if I would, write that in as a written unit rate, I would write 29 miles per gallon. And in life, you might see it like this: 29 miles per gallon. Okay, and so then I would fill the rest of it out. So two 29s are, then you can either add 29, you can put them in your calculator. So you have 29 and you would have 58. Okay, and then another 29 would be 87. Okay, and 4 29s are going to be 116. And you would continue to fill that out. And I'm just going to put the numbers in here as I get them. And I'm doing this with you as you're checking your work. There we go. 232. And then 9 29s is 261. And then this would be 290. And if I wanted to check, I could say, well, this is times 2. Is this times 2? Yep, it is. Okay, so that would be a rate table. It tells me that if I have 6 gallons of gas in my car, I can go 174 miles. If I have 9 gallons in my gas tank, I can go 261 miles. So that's the rate table. It's telling you per gallon what your rate of miles would be per gallon. Okay, in the next one, it's also, miles per gallon. In this case, it's 450 miles for every 15 gallons. So again, I'm going to do the division. I want to find out how many miles I'm going to get for 1. And 15 goes into 45. 3 and 0, 0. So I'm going to, again, put the gallons. Here I got gallons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And so then if 1 gallon is 30, then 2 gallons is 60, and 3 gallons is 90, and 4 gallons is 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, and 300. So if I have 10 gallons in my car, I can go 300 miles. And if I add another 5, which is 150, I can get here. I can get, this is times 1.5, and this is times 1.5. So I know that is going to be on the table. So there you go. That's a rate table. I'm going to write that down. This would be 30 miles per gallon. And I kind of mixture of printing and script there. And 30 miles per gallon. Okay, good deal.